An internationally acclaimed environmentalist, W.B. Lyngdoh, who hails from Meghalaya today, made an ardent appeal to the people of the state to be stewards of the environment. Speaking to the media at the Shillong Press Club, Dr. Lyngdoh said that he was utterly surprised to see that the people of the state, who have become highly educated, do not care of the environment. He cited an example by pointing out at the Kra River, which has become highly polluted. While pointing out to the area in which where exploratory uranium mining was carried out in West Khasi Hills, Dr. Lyngdoh said that the government should compensate to the damage done to the people by rehabilitating the people by giving them land.
Kibri na nasoro kira ki jogi ki kira ri gitu kibri par ki mo di komno kira dia kimno bandi mo te pole gitu kinong rap jingi par ki mong e baki bikin di bandi at least some awareness dia ban ong wanum di shu ketu ko ani ketu ko jaka bala long pui pa wanum tu yung tu shu wana na shu way they ban done ki corrective measures kan they can shu e to play because we need to practice what we preach. Mo, thought the Bible group on you. Not only the Bible, all holy books talk about humans should be steward of the creation of the Creator. I mean, how can we destroy? We don't think about the future generations. We don't think about the environment. We don't think about the ecosystem, about the forests, about the waters. We are destroying everything. Actually, the more education we have, the more dirty we become. Basyong hawa amkra di balanang berasta sudah but why are they dumping all the stuff into the hawa amkra? Shillong kendong pa kibri koi kitip ya ka jinglong tendrai. They know their roots. They take care of May Mariang. Ya ka klau kendo andre. Ya ka jingduk jong kipat kimna le iba plik teng kiapat tang ban im. Ini penyerap kenyaki penjerngam ini ban shna ki kamru kibab penjerngam ya ka May Mariang. Ai kami kena samla kam tam shillong kendong pen im ni kinong rap. Tang kata ko yang ngila pen im kita ring ngila ajat kita ben rejuni. Orang ngam tep ngas ukran ya ka serius na jogi brio shoto te kala ta pala pinsa. Ya shandur.
Bagi itu orang Ramadan.
Tang Ramadan ki hamlet chetoro ki MLA lagi hamlet cheto le tang ki MDC na i ba bindo le cheto tang ba bindo he knows a lot la tip adu menshwa ko toro tang ba na thaimanta la itho ki jing kata te ngam tip ki manu na district council ki ba NOC menshwa ki to ki la bakla tang e te manta inde ban shu darab jot mo di ban tre ki kam ke bagi HCI ya kari ki di ban kho ya kato ada kala akta palat ikti ki nongrap jingi ada ki long on the risk ban threat relocate support Japan support Chernobyl you don't locate ki brio ada lighthouse nam bahkan embiang ketu kamai mariang baka radiation pejur palat Ndrei dangi syong slam situ tim mengiru bala kan kata alu di gitar support ngim lawan yo i gitu ki gamma rays ndrei ki rung baik nak do support la nang flop nang tor te darang ngim nile ka health assessment situ la ngim dan ki doktor ki babiang bapli kitu ngim la ban diagnose rute ki pangum no in siap la kajap te kam along unfair kan man shu abandon ye ki gitu ki de ki parado paras nam jungi. It's worse than Jaragura actually because the water is going down all the way to Bangla from the boring boreholes when it rains, when the wind blows, the dust particles get blown off and it gets into the agricultural land, and then the cows, the buffalo, cattle, fish, everything gets contaminated and it gets into the food stream. So all of us will get contaminated, whoever eats food from the